Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to back just right click. It's old Windows 10, 11, 10 right click menu. So guys, first method and 100% it will work for the right old fold all right click. So first method, click to start and enter the run. Just right click. Otherwise just click on it. After that enter the registry and then click to OK. And this is required for the administered rights to click to yes. After that you can see this is your registry. So this is the address where it is changed this. Okay, and this is the key, folder key. So I will give you in the descriptions, so you can just copy paste. You just copy this and enter this address and then hit enter the properly. After that hit enter. You can come these sites. After that open again file and just copy this key, folder key, right click and copy. Again right click on this CLSID and click on new and new. Then Control V, paste and then hit enter. After that right click new and then key. Again this copy, and just right click to name and enter. Okay, and then again hit enter. So in this file stat, then open this double fault, so value 0 and then okay and then close. Then guys restart your system. Okay, and this file I will give in the description so you can easily copy and paste. Okay, otherwise you can type the manually. This is not okay.